And first-time finalists, Ascot Primary, were crowned the champions of the fourth staging of the Portmore Sports Association Primary Schools Football Competition played recently. Denise Walters reports.
Ascot Primary, who finished third in the competition in 2024, defeated another first-time finalist of Spanish Town Primary 1-0. Trey Allen scored in extra time, getting the all-important goal in the 80th minute following a 0-0 scoreline after regulation time.
Carry them and attack them along the wings, as you know that's their weak area. But we strengthen it up to them and we carry them right down to the end and stretch them a bit. We know that they couldn't run for the extra time, so we use that opportunity to hurt them. And we know their goalkeeper have some issue with this long shot, so we use that as well to hurt them.
Coming to this game, we play some simple football, and in the last minute of the game, it was a simple mistake. Just clear the ball and we just go penalty and just kick penalty from there. But unfortunately, it never happened.
Meanwhile, in the third place playoff, Deshaun Morris's 30th minute spot kick gave Southborough Primary a 1-0 win against Crescent Primary.
Well, the plan was to play with a wing-based system, channel the ball through our wingers and keep the ball as much as possible, and also defend with discipline. And we defend well.
We came into the game with an attacking spirit. We did that for most of the first half, the second half also. We didn't get a goal and unfortunately a penalty, and it went the other way. So congrats to the team, both teams play well.
Davian Witter and Trey Allen, both of Ascot Primary, were joint leading goal scorers with 6 goals each. Witter was also the competition's MVP. Ascot Primary pocketed $70,000 while winning coach Jerome Watt was handed $15,000. Spanish Town Primary walked away with $45,000 with coach Neria Barrett gifted $10,000, while Southborough Primary received $30,000 and Crescent Primary $20,000. Portsmouth Primary walked away with $10,000 as the most disciplined team.